Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to download Messenger voice message on mobile. So to do that, just head over to your Messenger. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. So if you have any messages in where you have or they had sent a voice message and you want to download it, but there is no option to download it from directly like we do for our pictures or images or videos. So what you need to do is just to transfer them to your main account by forwarding them. Then you can just say that you have saved the uh, voice message. So, and the other way is you can use your phone's recorder to record it on your phone, and then you can use it. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.